In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. The first step: check your internet connection. Sometimes, a poor internet connection can cause update issues. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Clearing the Windows Update cache can resolve many update problems. To do this, press Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type command services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, find Windows Update. Right-click on it and select Stop. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to Drive C. Then Windows folder. And find Software Distribution folder. Delete all files and folders inside the Software Distribution folder. After that, go back to the Services window, right-click on Windows Update, and select Restart. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you can reset the Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Windows Terminal, Admin. Then, run the following commands one by one. I will leave these commands in the description below this video. After entering command, press Enter each time. These commands will stop the update services, rename the update folders, and restart the services. Make sure you have enough disk space for the updates. Windows updates require sufficient space to download and install. Go to Settings. Then System. And select Storage to check your available space. If you're low on space, try deleting unnecessary files. Outdated or incompatible drivers can cause update issues. Ensure all your device drivers are up to date. You can update drivers through Device Manager. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager. Right-click on each device. And select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software to let Windows find the latest drivers. Performing a clean boot can help identify if any third-party software is causing the update problem. Press Win+R. Type command msconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, and click Disable All. Next, go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup items. Corrupted system files can cause update issues. To check for and repair corrupted system files, open Command Prompt as an administrator and run the following command: sfc/scan now. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files. When all steps are done, restart your computer and try running Windows Update again. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Also, you can check out another video about fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 10.